if I have to start, okay, my online business or my quest for earning decent money, okay, legitimately online by selling my knowledge, my expertise, my experience, or my skills, if I have to start all over, okay, the one thing that I'm going to start with is to change my mindset around money. You see, I wished I knew this truth from the onset. Many people, quest for money is not fulfilled, not because you are not putting in the work. I mean, hard work, smart work, whatever it is. I realized this along my journey. You put in a lot of work, but the result is not adding up. I mean, compared to the work you are putting in. Until I understood the role that our mindset plays in our outcomes. I realized that no matter how much work I put in, if I have the wrong set of beliefs about money, I will only be sabotaging myself, and at the end of the day, waste my time, waste my energy, waste my resources, and end up of a frustrated and a depressed individual. You know why? All because I was sabotaging myself from the place of my mind. The mind has been programmed to work in a certain way. And when it works in a certain way, it will produce its equivalent result. God save you if you have the right mindset around money. For instance, somebody who believes that money does not grow on trees. I mean, you grew up in a family where you barely survived. There is hardly enough when you were growing up. You will grow up with this programming, this conditioning, and it will manifest across everything that you do. Such was my story, such was my case, until I had to reprogram my mind set around money. For instance, the first time I stumbled on the opportunity, the online making money opportunities, I just thought I'll press a button, I'll make money just by pressing my phones. I didn't understand the beliefs around money. I didn't believe that. I didn't know it. So, which was why I will jump on any and every opportunity that comes my way. I will invest in any shining object because I didn't understand from my mindset how money works until I had my mindset reprogrammed for money. Now I know that money will come to you in the exact proportion of the value that you give. I don't do online business because I want to make money today. I do it because I want to add value, because I want to transfer value in exchange for the money that I deserve. I want to solve a problem. I want to serve a need. The mind has to be reprogrammed for the equivalent of the money that you want. And how do you begin to reprogram your mind? One, you've heard it, you must come to terms to the fact and accept the fact that a belief system that you currently have that is manifesting the results that you have. So those belief systems have to go away. And it goes away first by identifying those belief systems. Get rid of them. 2, get a coach. Get a mindset coach. 3, read the right kind of books. Look at the kind of books I read. This is Mindset by Carol Dweck. Okay, this is Atomic Habit by James Clear. This is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Okay, I have several of them. This is The Alchemist. Okay, I'm showing you the kind of books that I've read too. This is also Think and Grow Rich. This is The 15 Invaluable Laws by John Maxwell. Okay, this is How to Get from Where You Are to Where You Want to Be. Okay, The 25 Principles of Success by Jack Canfield. Okay, and there are so many of them. This is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. And I have The Millionaire Mindset. It's somewhere around. Okay, my shelf is loaded with a lot of books. Okay, I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link to one book that reprogrammed my mind around money. It is titled How to Become a Live Breathing Cash Machine. Take note of it. How to Become a Live Breathing Cash Machine. I'll leave the link to acquiring the digital copy of that book on the description of this video. Make sure you get the book. It will empower you with the right beliefs, with the right mindset, with the right tools, with the right skills that you need in order to attract the equivalent of money that you want. It is possible, but until you acquire the right mindset. How to Become a Live Breathing Cash Machine is a book that I would recommend. Click the link in the description and get this book. Once you read the book, you can reach out to me and let's discuss the concepts. After reading the book, implement the actions immediately, and I assure you, you will thank me later. Thank you once again for watching. Please like this video, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will show this video to as many people that need to make money in their life. And subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get instantly notified when I upload amazing content like this, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.